Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
What to make a task easy and finish it with a good ending. Rabbi yassir wala tuassir wa tammim bil khair.
Assalamu alaikum class, it's me Miss Kanis Fatma, your science teacher. Today date 25th of January 2021, day Monday. Class, today I'm going to give you the revision chapter number 7, safety and first aid. Class, now we are going to learn about the safety rules inside the home. If the floor is wet, so don't run. If you run, what happen? You will fall down. Oh my God, you fall. Class, never insert your finger in the electrical switch. If you insert, you will get the harm. Insert the plug with your wet hand. If you use with the wet hand, the current pass through in your hand also. Never ever play with the fire, and don't go inside the kitchen if your parents or the elder is not present in the kitchen. It will harm you, or your hand or your body can burn it. So avoid it. And never use knife with the absence of your elder. If you use the knife, it can cut your finger, it can burn, it can give you the wound also. So don't do ever like this. Class, the very important thing, whenever you cross the road, first find out the way of the zebra crossing. Never ever cross the road just like this. Here the no space, the vehicles are coming out, and so if you will do like this, the accident can happen. The most important thing, it is the traffic signal light. The red light shows stop, and the yellow light is mean get ready, and green light shows to go. If the green light is on, never ever cross the road. Only cross the road if the red light is on. Red light shows to all the vehicles to stop. Now the all vehicles are stopped, so you can easily cross the road. If you follow the safety rules according to the given instructions, so we will never ever hurt. Class, I'm going to show you some first aid tips. If you slip or you get the pain in your leg or your hand, so what you will do, you will use the cloth and you start bend it around where you are in pain. It will help you, or it reduce the pain also. If you get the cut anywhere in your body, to first try to stop the blood. And when you stop the blood and you're trying to stop the blood, always use the new cloth or the cotton, and you do like this. And after that, use the tincture and use the new bandage. Never ever use the dirty cloth or the old one. It will make the germs inside in your wound, so always use these things. If your hand is burned or any part of your body burned, first run away from the outside of the place where the fire is burning. And what you will do, wash your affected area with the plenty of the water. It will have to reduce the pain or the burning. Now class, if the fire start in any place in the huge condition, so what you will do, first you will close your face with the help of, hide your face with the help of your hands, and lay down on the floor and start rolling on the floor and move away from the fire. Don't run on the standing position. Never go inside the kitchen if you are wearing the fancy dresses and the other thing, because these fancy dresses can catches the fire very easily, so avoid to go inside the kitchen. Class, I hope with the help of the activity you can easily understand this topic. Now I am going to give you the homework on the page number 64, exercise E. Write how you will deal with this following emergency situations. Number 1, your sister gets a cut while chopping the vegetable. Number 2, your brother is stung by a bee while playing. Number 3, your mother receives a burn while cooking. Number 4, your friend faint in school. Number 5, your neighbor's nose start bleeding. What you will do in this situation, you will write. Class, your homework, chapter number 7, safety and first aid, page number 64, exercise E, question number 1 till 5 you have to do. Now class, we will meet on the Zoom class. Till then, Allah Hafiz.